Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Molly Mole, a friend of Peppa Pig. First, let's draw Molly Mole's nose and the shape of her head. You did it right! Well done! Then, her ears. Next, her eyes with glasses. Let's draw her lips and cheek. And the shape of her body. Molly Mole have opened her eyes and she is happy to see you. Let's draw her arms and hands. Next, her tail. Her legs and shoes, too. And now, let's add color to Molly Mole, together. Molly, a mole that looks like gray, is seen wearing an amazing purple dress. Her nose, lips, and inside ears are all pink, along with a deep pink cheek. She wears aquamarine glasses as well. Molly Mole and Peppa met at playgroup and immediately became friends. She does well at digging holes and lives deep underground on the same hill as Rebecca Rabbit. Molly Mole enjoys attending playgroup when she is not at home playing with Rebecca Rabbit, doing something with Mandy Mouse, or simply spending time with her family. Did you know that she sounds like an animal, squeaking? And when she squeaks, she closes her eyes because moles have very poor vision. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Until next time,